Hello everyone, Russell Wright from networkempire.com and themezoom.com, and I'm really excited to show you what's in the Semantic Revolution semanticwebtraining.com course. This is a quick overview and is by no means comprehensive, but I just wanted to make sure that those of you who are sitting on the fence know what's going on. This is a response to Humzilla and the whole artificial intelligence and semantic web changes happening between Google and the semantic web. So you can see there's going to be a basic area where we announce ongoing webinars, okay, and we're going to show you exactly where to start. Kevin, Sue, and myself feed these audios, guide you through where you should be within the course. Here we talk about where to start, what to expect, and so on and so forth. We give you a guided tour. I'm just going to pull up my handy dandy screen tools here. The entire course is going to be laid out in the sidebar. You're going to know exactly where you are and generally how much time it's going to take. Additionally, we have bonuses where there's some fly-on-the-wall conversations and some interviews that we have started doing spontaneously in the middle of the night because the conversations between Kevin, who is a semantic web expert, and Sue Bell, who's a search engine designer and algorithm creator and military industrial programmer, is very, very interesting and relevant to rankings and where Google is going. It's going to put you 2 or 3 years ahead of your time within that particular genre. Okay, so you're going to go to the semantic web overview, and then of course across the top you'll be seeing this progression path. And this progression path will take you from the semantic web to e-commerce, e-commerce to the plugins, the WordPress plugins, whether they're hot or not. And then the business evolution and the interviews are going to be populated over the next week or two, okay, as of the creation of this video. Okay, now just please note that on the side we're currently in the semantic web overview, and you can see, let's pull this down here, you've got all these courses modules tied to the semantic web overview. Semantic personalities, we're going to give you the history. This is more theoretical, but it's very useful. Please keep in mind that this course is not merely theoretical. Within the e-commerce model, we cover the specifics how-to that is worth a lot more than the price of this course. We show you exactly how to get your semantic markups on your products, your services, your addresses, and a bunch of other bonuses. We're going to cover the web organizations, how this works. You're going to know a lot about this. You can work with clients, and when you wow clients with this stuff, it's pretty powerful because they kind of get it. You can show them exactly what's happening with their information. What is the semantic web? What is linked data? How big is the web is our interactive chart that allows you to connect with all the databases and show how they're connected. Very similar to like Bruce Clay's search engine relationship chart in the early 2000s, except much, much larger. And we take this from a couple different sources. And then you and the web. Then you're going to move on to the e-commerce. And this is the meat of the course. Please notice that we, of course, provide you with an audio intro where Sue, myself, and Kevin talk about what to expect, how to think about this module. Okay, we give you a general overview on this page. Then again, we go right into the e-commerce section, and we talk about getting your business listed, your markup basics. This is the meat, you guys. Marking up your business and your business in the web. Marking up your products is the last one. Very, very powerful stuff. Specifically, marking up your products is serious profitability and money getting. When you know how to do that, marketing up your business is huge as well. Okay, so you'll know how to do this. It's step by step. This is no theory. So this is the module that's going to take you the longest to complete. And you're going to come back to it again and again. And we're going to update it again and again. Then we have the plugins. Okay, we've got an audio covering the plugins, and then we're going to populate the information down here. And then we're going to have over 20 different plugins. You can see we only have a few right now. How to install plugins, basic with Semantic, all-in-one. We're going to talk a little bit about all-in-one, RDF, breadcrumbs, RDFace, author review, author H review, author products, and this is only just a few. Over the course of time, there are going to be over 20 reviews on semantic plugins, and in the process of learning how they work, you're going to learn about what markups are hot and what are not, and so on and so forth. Okay, then you're going to go to business evolution. We're going to talk about the futuring of business, where I'm going to be covering some pretty amazing things, including an interview with the creator of the Futureka trilogy, Alexander Bard, at some point in February. The webinars that we have are going to be ongoing, probably about one per month, where we give you updates. These interviews are all going to be in here. The webinars will be listed here. Okay, and that's why you need to sign up for the webinars. Humzilla Part 1 and 2 are here, and all the rest of the populated webinars are going to be added. Okay, so I hope you're excited as I am about this course. If you'd like to purchase it, go to semanticwebtraining.com. And this course is going to be available ongoing, but it will raise its price as we add more content, which just makes sense. All right. So we'll see you on the inside of semanticwebtraining.com. Just scroll to the bottom and add it to your cart, and you can join us, even if you missed the first 2 webinars.